And Chandler and Carl have no idea what I have in store for them. What do you think of the yacht?
I think it's beautiful. It's pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think it costs 50 grand for the day? No.
Okay.
So look over there. We're gonna go on a submarine expedition.
Oh my God.
You guys ready to explore the floor of the ocean?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh my. What? We're not doing that.
Let's head over.
Okay.
Come on. Let's go explore the floor of the ocean.
Okay. All right.
This is awesome. Wow, I can already see fish